Whoa! Whoa! What? Where's Viv? Where's Viv? All right, you good? You good?
The town of Marchena, located in Andalusia, Spain, has become the epicenter of one of the most devastating floods in recent years. Torrential rains over the past weeks have led to catastrophic consequences, with at least 158 fatalities and dozens still missing. Roads are submerged, cars have been reduced to piles of scrap metal, and powerful torrents have destroyed infrastructure and homes.
Ay, Dios mío. Madre, muy fuerte. Sí. ¡Ay! Mira la tormenta. Horrible, horrible, no lo siguiente.
Mira, en el cruce de la vía, mañana vamos a trabajar todo el mundo, vale a octavo, mira la furgoneta. Y yo, no, ahí no me metes.
As of November 15, 2024, the scale of destruction remains staggering. Rescuers are striving to reach affected areas using helicopters and boats, but access to many zones remains blocked. People are forced to seek refuge on rooftops, pleading for help through social media. Hundreds of residents have been evacuated, but the danger persists as meteorologists predict further rainfall, which could worsen the situation. This flood has been labeled unprecedented due to its scale. Experts suggest that climate change is a key factor amplifying extreme weather events. In just one day, the region experienced a month's worth of rainfall, causing destruction not seen in Marchena for decades.
Yo, el Mercadona se inunda, loco. El Mercadona, tío.
The Spanish government has declared 3 days of mourning, with Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez pledging all available resources to address the aftermath. Volunteers and emergency services are actively working in the region, but the estimated damages run into billions of euros. Despite these efforts, the residents of the town and surrounding areas remain in shock, with many families still searching for their loved ones. Marchena has become a symbol of humanity's struggle against the forces of nature, but this tragedy also serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for climate action to prevent similar disasters in the future. 8, 9, 10. Support the victims of the devastating flood in Marchena by subscribing to our channel. Each subscription helps spread awareness about this tragedy and ensures aid reaches those in need. Together, we can make a difference.
I want to thank each of you for watching this video, leaving comments and sharing your thoughts. Your feedback is truly appreciated. As you can see, I'm doing my best to bring you the most interesting events happening around the world. I research every area to ensure you get the most engaging content.